Hey, Rob. Hello, Jimmy Nicholas. What can I do for you? Can you pull up procedures for the new 787 SRM composite repair process? Roboxa, one of the fastest growing enterprise business solution providers for innovative and highly effective smart glass solutions, is also a new revolution across aerospace, MRO, logistics, healthcare, retail, automotive, public sector, among others, with a myriad of applications that range from maintenance, repair and operations, field services, real-time task management for quality and inspection, vision picking and placing, vision packing, and security monitoring and control. Roboxa, with a global coverage and solid footprint, is a cut above the rest with end-to-end features like virtual assistance, hands-free interface, expert remote support and assistance, voice and motion gesture control, inbuilt two-way audio-video interactive display and camera, barcode scanning, onboard GPS, visual tracking, voice recognition, real-time superimposed digital information, seamless tracking, real-time communication and audit trail. Look no further than Roboxa if all you're looking for is innovative, intuitive, collaborative, secure, immersive, service-compliant, and scalable applications for smart glasses.